What is up everyone, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix SIM card not working or SIM card contacts not showing problem on your Realme Narzo 50A. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. Let's start the videos of wasting any time. So to fix SIM card not working or SIM card contacts not showing problem in Realme Narzo 50A, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings icon. So just go to settings and then do the same as I'm showing you in this video.